Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I just want to show you how to compound your money in IPC, that is intelligence prime capital. I'm going to be very fast. So what you need to do is, once you log into your account on IPC, all you need to do is click on this button right here, this three-line button right here. Once you click on the three-line button, then the next thing you want to do is go to transaction. When you click on transaction, then you click on internal transfer. When you click on internal transfer, then the next thing you do, you wait for it to load. Once it loads like this, make sure you click on this one that says transfer from, you can say it there, transfer from wallet to MT4. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on it now. Once you click on it, you go down and put the amount you want to transfer. So I want to transfer everything I have in my that's my profit so far. I'm gonna do it 113.88. That's my profit. So I'm transferring all my profit back to my trading capital to make my trading capital more robust, so that to make more money with it. So I'm gonna click on send a code right now. So when I click on send a code with this button, then I'm gonna send me a code in my email. I'm going to go to my email, then copy the code and paste it here. So let me do that right now. Okay. All right, guys, so once I click on my email, I'm going to click on my email to check the email right now. So I'm going to click on it prime capital, then I click it again, then I'm going to copy the code. So this is the code. I'm going to press it down to copy the code and click on copy and go back to minimize to go back here and paste it right here. Once I paste it here, I'll paste it there, then click on submit, and that'll be all. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to the dashboard to check if it's there already. So that's all you need to do. So I'm going to click on this button right back and click on dashboard to see if the money has dropped. So right now I have a 0 here in my wallet, then I have 555 as my trading capital right now. So that's what I want to show you in this video today. Okay guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, my name is Seun Digital. I show you how to make money online and also cryptocurrency, and I show you also a little bit about Forex. So guys, turn on the notification bell and don't miss my next video.